You're gonna need a couple things for this job. You're gonna need an oil pan, oil, your oil filter, an oil filter remover tool, which is shaped like this, I'll show it, and then a 13mm socket. But still verify what kind of socket you need in case you're working on a different type of car. Mine's a 2007 Ford Mustang, so mine uses a 13mm. So here's right under the car. That's the bolt you want to take off. So if you're looking directly under the car, the oil pan's right here where the screw we just took out. The oil filter is right there. So once you get it with your tool at the weirdest angle possible, you're just gonna twist it a little at a time until it loosens. That's what makes me angry. Makes me angry. Okay, just keep doing that. Let me set this down. Okay, once you loosen it enough, you're just gonna. There you go. Oop. Next, you're gonna replace your oil filter. You're gonna take this, you're gonna get a little bit of oil, and you're gonna rub it around here. Rub it around this cinnamon ring, and then you're gonna put it back on there, reverse order. Okay, I charged my phone. So lastly, just reverse order, put the screw back in. Now sometimes you could put like this little ring that goes around there. I forget what it's called. But I feel like I don't need that right now, so just screw it back up. Okay, then you're gonna get your oil. I'm using full synthetic. You can find out what kind your car uses. You can either Google it, like at Walmart, just put your car info and it'll pop up. Or in your owner's manual, it'll tell you the kind. But anyway, I got full synthetic, and you're just gonna, don't spill any. Yes. Mine uses 5 quarts, so I'm gonna put this entire thing in there. Are you fucking kidding? And if you did spill oil like I did, just get some cat litter and cover it up. No one will notice.